Welcome to 5 Facts Part 3. I'm your instructor, Mr. Deutsch. So last time we got all of our pictures and voiceovers into Final Cut. Today what we're going to do is edit. The first thing we're going to do is adjust our volumes. If you move the mouse to the sound clip until you get that one arrow up and one arrow down, you can adjust the volumes like so. You can also change the length of the clips if, for instance, you said something at the end that you don't like. You can shorten it and just punch in there. Next, we're going to shorten and lengthen the length of the clip to match the audio. If you notice the little tail underneath the arrows, that'll kind of let you know which clip you're making longer or shorter. Now I'm going to match these guys up. It's in fast forward, so don't try to go this fast, but here's the idea. I just kind of match the pictures up real nice to the audio. I'll play it back to make sure that it sounds correct. Also, at any point, if your audio is too loud, it's going to turn yellow on top. So if it's yellow, make sure the volume is turned down. Now we're going to add text. To do that, we're going to hit that little T button, which is the text. We're going to select from any of the type of text that we want, and we're just going to pull those and drag them down right on top of the picture. If I want additional text, what I'll probably do is after I put the first purple bar down is copy and paste it, Command-C, Command-V, and then just change the text inside by double clicking on it and where it says text. You can adjust the size as well as lengthen and shorten the amount of time that the text stays on the screen by lengthening and shortening the purple box. If it's difficult to edit because of the size, click the film reel and use the zoom lever to increase or decrease the size. Alright, so I'm clicking on the text from my slideshow and pasting it in the text banners from up top. A lot of just copying and pasting and making sure everything is lined up. Now I'm going to add some music in there. To add the music, what we're going to do is go up top, click on that little musical note, the iTunes symbol, and if you go to sound effects, there's a bunch of things under the jingles category that have some music. Make sure the music doesn't go past the video because the video is going to be as long as whatever is longest. So if the picture goes on the longest, it's going to stop there. If the music goes on, it's going to be a black screen with the rest of the song. So we're going to cut it or just shorten it and make it line up with everything else. Also, for each one of these steps, double check and make sure that it sounds or looks good by bringing the cursor back and hitting the space bar, which is the play button. Now we're going to add some transitions like this. This is the Final Cut Pro symbol for transitions. If you kind of look to the sidebar on the right, all the way over is the transition bar. Click on that and here are your different transitions. You're going to take them, you're going to drop them, and you're going to drag them in. Sometimes they look good, sometimes they don't. Try a few different ones, and here it is all together. I'm going to tell you 5 facts about otters. Otters have certain places in their community where they poop. Otters have the thickest fur of any mammal in the animal kingdom. Otters use rocks to crack open the shells of other animals. An otter bite contains small amounts of venom which paralyzes its prey. So this video has pictures, transitions, voiceovers, and background music. Yours is going to have the same.